So today we're going to look at one of a lot of people's favorites is the classic Cobra, number 31. Now, this had a few different variations prior to the blue card. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV, the Blue Card series. Now, I've been calling this the Blue Card series, but it's the collector numbers, all right? Blue cards go into the blue and white cards, but as long as we know the difference between the blue cards and the blue and white cards, we're doing good. Because a lot of these do run into, the blue card stuff runs into the blue and white card stuff. So, I just have to, right? Because there are so many cool variations that go into the blue and white cards, all right? So we're just going to call it the Blue Card Series and collector numbers, or the collector numbers, I don't know. But whatever it is, we're here, all right? And we're going to get to show all the cool stuff. So today we're going to look at one of a lot of people's favorites is the classic Cobra, number 31. Now, this had a few different variations prior to the blue card. Do I have any? I don't know. But I'm not going to get into that. We're just going to do these. So it is red enamel. It has yellow stripes on the trunk lid and on the hood and onto the nose with black stripes on the outside. And it says Cobra in white with a black outline on each side of the stripes on the hood. It has a black plastic interior, clear windshield, and this one has basic wheels, same size all the way around, and an unpainted metal base. And it is a Malaysia base. So, this is, I think this is the coolest way that it looks. All right. So now, next one up is same car, same tampos. Now, this one has looks like a amber windshield on it. Could be. Could be just that the plastic has, how sometimes the blister is yellow. But yeah, it definitely looks amber. You can see it in the photo. Now everything is the same except it has 7 spokes on it. Large 7 spokes all the way around. Unpainted base. All right. Next one up has a clear windshield. Chrome 7 spokes all the way around, but a black painted metal base. All right. Next one up, chrome 7 spokes. Everything's the same. Clear windshield. A black plastic Malaysia base. All right. Now we're going to get into the blue and white cards. Same car. It has chrome 7 spokes all the way around. And it has a black painted metal base, which is the same as the blue card. All right. But just on the blue and white card. And then, same car, chrome 7 spokes again, unpainted metal base on the blue and white card. And finally, large chrome 3 spokes with a black painted metal base, and everything is the same. So depending on when they were made, I don't know why, because the blue cards, they were, well, what is this? This is, this is also the 7-spoke. All right. Now, a lot of the blue cards, well, when they first came out, they had a tan back. All right. Now, this one has a gray back, so which means it is a newer release than the tan back. All right. The copyright date on this one, on the gray back, is 1991. Copyright on the tan back is also 1991. So, there's a lot of different things that Mattel did there's really no reason for. Probably, I'm sure, it's just production, because to them, it's production. They got to make money. That's what they're there for. So a lot of these cards are printed up a year in advance, if not more. As soon as they find out that they're going to be doing this, they have them printed up and they're put in a warehouse somewhere. Then once the cards are put together, they put them in the package and they put everything together and they go out. That's why I usually see copyright is a year before the car is released or the product is released. So you got tan back, you got gray back, and these there's like I said, really no rhyme or reason. These are tan backs and a gray back, same car, and same wheels, and that's plastic base and that's a metal base. So it really confuses me, makes my head hurt. But there are guys out there that really search all this stuff down and find out what, where, why. But I really don't think that there's no specific reason except hey, we got them done, or we need more, and do it that way. So all of the newer ones, I'm gonna say, all right, that since this is a gray back, this is probably a transition right before the blue and white card. All right, so these are all tan. Once the final 7 spokes on the blue card came out, then they put them on the gray back and the blue and white card. So, but that's the only reason that I can think of. All right, so I get questions like that all the time. How come this one? I don't know. But I do my best to find out. All right. That's it for the classic Cobra number 31. Blue card into the blue and white cards, collector numbers. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Click that little bell. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, hope you guys take care, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.